Alright, hello there informed beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my crystal collections. If you guys don't know, I do have a little crystal collection, and if you guys follow me, and if you guys watch my Goddess Provisions box, you guys know that we get crystals every box pretty much, so I've been collecting them, and I thought that it would be something different to share with you guys today in this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give it a big thumbs up and share me with the world, okay? Please excuse my skin. I am very oily at the moment, and I've blotted, and I had powdered my face, and I just still am extremely oily, but I'm about to wash my face after this video, so just bear with me and my highlighter skin. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. I do have quite a bit of crystals that I collect or that I've had, and I work with a few of them, some more than others, but I thought that this would be a very great video to just share with you guys, as well as to give you guys a little bit of background information on crystals. It won't be too long. I won't go too in depth on each crystal or each stone, but just a little snapshot of what I have. All right, so the first one that I want to begin with is a new baby of mine, and this is a black onyx stone. It's a nice bracelet. It's about 4 stones on a little nylon string, and on the back this is the adjuster. Now this bracelet is from Peace of Mind Inc. It is a lovely Etsy shop. I will leave the links down below. And the benefits of black onyx is that it is a grounding stone. It also helps to block negative energies, it relieves negative feelings, and it sharpens your senses. I like to wear this every day, especially when I'm at work, because I am coming in contact with people, and it's very important to protect your own energy. So wearing this little bracelet, it's very discreet, it's very dainty. It's nothing that's too big like those usual, like those real big beaded ones. It's not like that. It's really dainty, really discreet, really little, really tiny, and I like that about this. So this is one of my favorite babies to wear currently. Next, we're going to jump into 2 other bracelets that I got from Peace of Mind Inc. as well. And we're first going to start off with the rose quartz. This is the rose quartz 4mm, and this is in the size 6. And rose quartz is all about love. It promotes self-love. It's great for the heart chakra. It's the energy of love, self-love. It attracts loves, and it balances emotions. So I really do like rose quartz for that. It also is a very nice pink, very girly, feminine color. And also rose quartz is also really great for the reproductive system, circulatory system as well. Another bracelet that I've got from them, from the Peace of Mind Inc., is a moss agate bracelet. Love this bracelet. It is really, really pretty. If you look really closely, like the little pieces, there's like a lot of detail in each stone. Like the stones are different colors. They have different types of colors on the inside, and I definitely like that about the stone. This is in a size 6.5, and moss agate is a mental stone. It is a balancing stone. It relieves stress. It's a concentration stone. It helps with the heart chakra, abundance, and health. So I definitely love to wear this. And also I'll put it on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. But they're great to wear together. I like to stack them, and these are 4mm, so I like this size because they're really small, they're cute, they're dainty, and they just go with whatever I'm wearing, and they're not too big or chunky. The last bracelet that I got from Peace of Mind Inc. is this rose quartz bracelet. Now I don't wear this rose quartz bracelet anymore. If you guys can tell, the string is just really nasty. It's just, I can probably soak it or wash it or whatnot, but because the stones are on here, that's not really ideal. So I do want to actually take the stones off of here and restring it onto another string. That's why I got this this string on this one in black because I remember I got this one in a colored string and it was cute, but it looks gross now. Put it on for you guys just so you can see. But I don't wear it anymore just because I don't like what the string looks like. But they're very nice stones, but I just don't like the string. The string is like really yucky and really dirty. Okay, so I think that is everything when it comes to my jewelry pieces. Oh, one more. Actually, I do have this here, and this is just a little piece of rose quartz. I got this off of Amazon. It does come with a chain, but the chain came out. I really want to replace the chain with a black nylon string like this one so I can wear it around my neck. I just think that would look a little bit better, but this is a rose quartz piece, and it's just, I like it. Okay, and once again, you guys, everything that I talk about here will be listed down below. All the benefits of the stones, where I got each piece, the brands that I'm talking about, sizes that I have for my bracelets, everything will be down below for you guys to go and check that out. Okay, hello there you guys. So when editing this video, I noticed that it was going to be way too long, including my actual stones and my jewelry stones, or my crystal jewelry. So I decided to break it into 2 videos. So I'm going to end this video here. Once again, everything that I talked about when it comes to the bracelets, the sizes, the companies that I got them from will be linked down below. If you have any questions, let me know down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go check out part 2 for my actual stones that I like to work with, and my clusters and things of that sort. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you in part 2. All right, bye.